Good morning to all of you. Again, you are heartfully welcome on my YouTube channel, Sing Mathematics Classes, which is run by myself. Here you can clear your all the concepts or problems related to your particular chapters or lessons. And I would like to inform you that this is a premier institute for the students of class 10th. So, in the previous video, we were only read about introduction to trigonometry and its basic topics, which comes under trigonometry. So, if you want to clear your more and more concepts, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notification related to my channel. Then, first of all, we have to first memorize our previous topics. So in this video, we will read about some important formulae and their proof, because these formulae are very important and also play a vector role in solving the exercise questions or problems. So after the reading of these formulae, we can able to make or solve the first exercise of our math book. So let's start. So here you can see that there are 8 important formulae which are related to trigonometry. So, first formula is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Got it? Next formula is sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1. Third formula is sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Fourth formula is cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Fifth formula is cos theta into sec theta equal to 1. Sixth formula is tan theta into cot theta equal to 1. Seventh formula is tan theta equal to sin theta by cos theta. And at the last formula is cot theta equal to cos theta by sin theta. So, please note down these formulae on your notebook. In this video, we will prove only 4 formulae. Then in the next video, we will prove other 4 formulae. Got it? Any problem? So, don't lose your concentration. So, let's start. First, we will see the proof of sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So, first I prove this, then I will understand you. Okay? Then see. Now you can see that here we take LHS equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta for prove this formula. Next, we can write sin square theta plus cos square theta in the form of sin theta square plus cos theta square. Then next we can put the formula of sin theta and cos theta. Then the formula of sin theta is p by h and cos theta is b by h. Then next we put p by h to the power 2 plus b by h to the power 2. Then next we get p square by p square by h square plus b square by h square. Next p square plus b square by h square. Then what is the formula of hypotenuse? Then the formula of hypotenuse is h square equal to p square plus b square. So here we put h square in the place of p square plus b square. Got it? Then h square by h square cuts by 1. And then RHS is proved. And also the first formula has proved. Then come to the next or second formula. So now we will then come to the next or second formula. So now we will see the proof of sin theta into cosec theta equal to 1. Then see, I prove it, then I will understand you. Okay. So here we take LHX sin theta into cosec theta for prove this formula. Next, here we can put the formula of sin theta or cosec theta. Then the formula of sin theta is p by h and the formula of cosec theta is h by p. Next, p by h into h by p. Here p cuts from p and h cuts from h by 1. Then RHS is proved. Then the second formula has proved here. To the next or third formula. Now we will see the proof of sec square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Then see, I prove this, then I will understand you. Okay. So here we also take LHS equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta for prove this formula. Here we can write sec square theta minus tan square theta in the form of sec theta square minus tan theta square. Got it? Next, now we can put the formula of sec theta and tan theta. Then the formula of sec theta is h by b and the formula of tan theta is p by b. Then we put here h by b to the power 2 minus p by b to the power 2 in the place of sec theta square minus tan theta square. Then we get h square by b square minus p square by b square. Next, h square minus p square by b square. So what is the formula of base? Then the formula of base is b square equal to h square minus p square. Then we put b square in the place of h square minus p square. And b square by b square cuts by 1. And then now RHS is proved. Got it? Then the third formula has also proved. Then come to the next or fourth formula. So now we will see the proof of cosec square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. Then see, I prove it. So here you can see that we take LHS equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta for prove this formula. Next, we can write cosec square theta minus cot square theta in the form of cosec theta square minus cot theta square. Got it? Next, we can put the formula of cosec theta and cot theta. Then the formula of cosec theta is h by p and the formula of cot theta is b by p. Then now we put h by p to the power 2 minus b by p to the power 2. Next we get h square by p square minus b square by p square. Next, h square minus b square by p square. Then what is the formula of perpendicular? Then the formula of perpendicular is p square equal to h square minus b square. Then we put p square in the place of h square minus b square. Then p square by p square cuts by 1. And then RHS is got it, or also the fourth formula has proved. Then I hope that you will like this video or appreciate it. So please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get notification. So in the next video, I will prove the other 4 formulae. After the proofs of these formulae, we can able to make or solve the some questions which is related to our first exercise of maths book. I advise you to more and more try to memorize previous topics and also try to practice the proofs of these formulae. Then, if you have any types of doubt, you can comment on my channel. I will clear your doubts. Okay? After all, I am very grateful and thankful to my uncle, Mr. Rajkumar Singh, and all maternal uncle, especially to Mr. Nitesh Singh and Naveen Singh, who also inspired me and supported me. So, thank you to all of you.